So welcome to my latest video. So I've just finished live streaming simultaneously to my YouTube channel, my Facebook business page and my LinkedIn account. But I also want my fans on my other social channels to see that live stream. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to repurpose your live stream from within your Restream studio to these other accounts. So the other accounts that I may want to repurpose my video to would be Instagram TV and maybe Pinterest, because these two different accounts don't allow you to live stream at the moment. But I still want my fans over there to actually see my live stream. So in order for me to show you how to pull that video from my live streaming software and then upload it into Instagram TV and say Pinterest, I'd have to dive into my studio. But first, a little bit about me. So my name is Anita Wong and I'm a digital visibility strategist, and I'm here to help you understand the tools at your fingertips to enable you to become more visible to your dream clients. If you would like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have any question whatsoever, please pop them in the comments below this video and I'll answer them as soon as they pop up in my notification box. So let's dive into the Restream studio and I'll show you how you can pull down that live stream from within your studio. And then also I'll give you some tips on how to actually repurpose that video across to Instagram TV and Pinterest. Okay, so we're here inside the Restream.io dashboard. So this is where you would originally have done your live stream through. And in order for you to pull down that recording, all you need to do is come over here to the three little dots and go to the recording area. Now this is going to bring up all of the recordings that you've ever done inside your Restream studio. And as you can see, the recordings are stored for 15 days on a personal plan and 30 days on a company plan. So it's a really good idea to pull this recording down to your computer as soon as you finish the live stream, because not only can you repurpose this recording to, say, your Instagram TV or your Pinterest account, but you can also chop it up to make promotional videos for your live stream to pull more people back to watching the replay of your live stream, which is an awesome way of increasing your visibility across your social channels. Okay, so this is the most recent video that I've done. And as you can see here, you can actually download the audio only if you wish, which is a great way of repurposing your video into a podcast. You can also download the entire video. You can play the video or you can delete the video. So let's go ahead and download the video. Okay, so once you've hit that download button, it's going to drop the video into your own computer. And all you need to do is label it up here and pop it into a file area where you know it's going to be easily found. Go ahead and click save, and it will download to your computer. Now the download speed will depend on your own home broadband, but it shouldn't take very long for it to go into your computer. Now the length of time it takes to download to your computer will completely depend on your home broadband settings. So if you're in the office and you're on a business broadband, it may come down quicker than your home broadband. So depending on where you are working from, and the speed of your internet will depend on how quickly that video comes down. But once it's down into your computer, you'll be free to repurpose it across any of your social media platforms. Now, as you can see, my live stream that I just completed has downloaded into my computer, and I've opened it up for you to see.
Live. Is it actually the...
So now what I've got is a complete copy of my live stream directly from within my Restream studio. So now that you've downloaded your video from your Restream studio to your computer, you can go ahead and repurpose that to various different social media platforms. But for the purpose of this training, I'm going to walk you through how to repurpose it onto your Instagram TV. So Instagram TV is Instagram's video platform, and using Instagram TV is a really good way of you reaching a wider audience. So on Instagram, the video length has to be a maximum of 15 minutes if you're going to go ahead and upload it from your mobile phone. But it can be up to 60 minutes long if you upload it from your desktop, which is a great way of uploading your Restream video. The file format needs to be MP4, which is exactly what you've got when you downloaded your video from Restream. And it needs to either be 9:16, which is a vertical, or it can be 16:9, which is exactly the format that we've just downloaded from Restream. If you wanted to go ahead and reformat your video so that it fits into the vertical frame, you would need to use a third-party editing software. But you can go ahead and just repurpose the video that you've just pulled from your Restream straight into your Instagram TV by uploading it on your desktop, which is a really easy way of you reaching a wider audience without having to use a third-party editing software. So uploading your downloaded live stream straight into Instagram TV via your desktop is a really good option if you are just starting out on repurposing your videos. It doesn't require you to edit the video at all. All it requires you to do is to do your live stream on your Restream studio, go into the recordings and download it to your desktop, and then hop over to Instagram and upload it via the Instagram app inside your browser. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So here I am inside my Instagram account. Don't forget to give me a follow if you haven't already. And in order for you to upload to your Instagram TV account, you'd need to go to the Instagram TV tab. So as you can see here, there are 4 tabs along the bottom in your Instagram account. So we're going to just jump straight to the Instagram TV area. And as you can see, I have quite a few videos in my Instagram TV account. But in order for me to pop my Restream live stream into my Instagram TV, all I have to do is click the upload button. Now this upload button is going to allow me to upload my horizontal video that I've just downloaded from my Restream account straight into my Instagram TV account. So in order for me to upload my video file to my Instagram TV, I need to go ahead and upload it via my file. So you go ahead and click the blue cross, find the video inside your files and click open. Let me quickly remind you on the specs for your Instagram TV videos. It has to be 15 minutes or less if you upload from your mobile, but if you're uploading from your desktop like I am now, it can be up to 60 minutes long. And it's really good to upload your horizontal videos like the one I'm doing now that I downloaded from Restream on your desktop browser, because it saves you transferring it from your desktop to your mobile phone. All you need to do now once your video is uploaded is go ahead and fill in the title and the description, and don't forget to include any links or any hashtags that you think are relevant to your video in this description. And then you also have an opportunity to post a preview of your actual repurposed video to your Instagram feed. If you want more eyes on your content, then I highly recommend that you do post a preview. Now this preview will show up inside the 9 squares of your normal Instagram account, as well as your full repurposed video showing up in your Instagram TV. Down here, you can decide where it's showing, whether you want it to show just on Instagram TV or over on your Instagram TV and your Facebook. I live stream to my Facebook, so I don't want it to go over onto my Facebook again. I just want it to go onto Instagram TV. Then you have a choice of whether you want to save it as a draft or you go ahead and post it. So I'm going to go ahead and post it. So as you can see, my uploaded repurposed video is now showing on my Instagram TV, which is a great way of actually getting more eyes on your content. So I hope you found this video really useful. Repurposing your live streams to the platforms that don't allow live streaming at the moment is a really good way of increasing the visibility of your message and your content. Now, Restream have made this really easy for you. Every live stream that you do inside the Restream studio can be downloaded directly from the Restream platform. And it makes it a lot easier for you to then go ahead and pop into a third-party editing tool to mix the video up, splice it up into promotional videos so that you can actually promote your live stream. And it also helps you to reintroduce your live streams to a wider audience. If you would like to try Restream out for yourself, I've popped a link below this video for you to try it out for free. And if you have any questions whatsoever about this video, please don't hesitate to pop them also in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the notification bell, because that will let you know when I upload a new video or I go live on my platform. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you soon.